कहाँ?
माइके आगे, माइके आगे।
Mr. Pankaj Kapoor, if I request you to take a seat very well, thank you. Okay, we will have another photo op after this. Shahid and Sonam, would you like to address everyone before we begin with this?
Something, please.
Go.
No, please. Well, here we are with this promotion of this film, the first ever promo of this film called Mausam, which we started 4 years back. I mean, the journey started 4 years back, and this has been a journey of love, labor of love, and the film is a love story. So rest, I think the promotion will do. After that, I think there's going to be probably a small question answer, and we'll take it as it comes. Thank you.
इस ज़मीं और इस आसमां से परे जहां न वक्त न तुम्हारे मेरे सिवा कोई हो, बस एक जज्बा हो कि तुम मुझ में हो और मैं तुम में।
Mr. Kapoor, if first you would like to tell us a little bit about the film.
Well, as the promo would speak about it, it's primarily a love story, but which goes beyond romance. That's what the film is all about. And if you have any questions, I think you can ask Shahid and Sonam. I don't have anything more than this to say, except that our story is basically a love story. It's got 4 seasons. Seasons here don't mean rains and winter and stuff like that. It means basically 4 portions of love that happen between these 2 characters. And that's about it that I can say right now. It's taken us 4 years to reach where we have reached today. It's, to be honest, a fairly emotional moment for me. All of you have been with me in the last 30 years as an actor, and this is my first endeavor as a director. And I think whatever you've seen, you would appreciate it, and we are going to be there on the 16th of September for all of you to see. Thanks very much. Thank you.
Shahid, if you would now like to tell us a little bit about the film and the journey of Mausam.
First of all, I'd like to thank everybody who's here. Thank you guys. This is a very special moment for all of us, the entire family to begin with, and obviously Sonam and the entire team, the producers of the film, Eros, Sunil Durga, Sheetal Talwar. Yes, it has been quite a journey. It's been a film which has taken, like my father said, 4 years of his life, about 1.5 years or 2 of mine.
and the entire family has been involved with it in a way where probably it's an experience which will happen with us only once. We've had the privilege to have Sonam with us, the beautiful, wonderful, lovely Sonam, who looks even prettier when she smiles like that. Yes, so like Dad said, I think this is an emotional moment for all of us. I've been to so many promo launches or promotional events for a film, but I remember while I was driving here from home, my palms were a bit sweaty and I was a bit nervous, and I was very, yeah, thanks. She says they're still sweaty. I didn't touch you, Sonam, how do you know that? Stop looking at my hands. Yes, I was a little nervous, and I was wondering why I'm so nervous, because I think this film means more than just a film to all of us. Yes, it's a labor of love for the entire team, so I'd like to thank the entire team. Use this opportunity to thank everybody who's participated in the film, may it be Sheetal or Ram, who's here from Eros, the entire production team, everybody, Mr. Vinod Pradhan, who's on camera, Preetham, who's given the music, Irshad, blah blah. It's a long list, and I don't want to go on with it, but I'd like to thank everybody for believing in this vision that my father had. And honestly, I think we've all just followed in his footsteps. And beyond that, the audience will decide. I'm so happy some of you guys are here. Very nice to see you all. Did you guys like it? What do you think? Oh ho, zor se bolo yaar. Yeah, a special thank you to the entire Shahid Online team. There's this entire team of people, and they call themselves Mosambis. So I'm really happy to have such juicy fans. Thank you. And I'll hand the mic over to Sonam now for a few words.
I think both of us have said everything. And
No, you have to speak. You have to prove to them your beauty with brains, because I know it.
But thanks for all the media for y'all being here and supporting us in this endeavor of ours, which all of us have worked very hard on. And as you can see, it's a labor of love, as Pankaj sir pointed out. And we have given our time and effort and everything into it. So thank you for coming here, and thank you Pankaj sir, Shahid and Sheetal for letting me be a part of this film.
Thank you so much. I'd now like to request Mr. Sheetal Vinod Talwar, Managing Director, Vistar Religare Film Fund, and also co-producer. I'd also like to request Mr. Ram Mirchandani, Chief Creative Officer from Eros International, who's also one of the co-producers for the film. Thank you. And I'd also like to request Mr. Jawahar Sharma, Managing Director, Synergy Independent Film and Service. I'd also like to request Mrs. Supriya Pathak, ma'am, if you could also join us here on stage. Thank you so much.
I'll do that. Yes, I will.
Come close, Sonam. Yeah, let's look like a happy team. Come,
We are a
come. You're looking like a really happy
Formal.
team for the next one. Informally happy.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Okay, we're also going to do a Q&A where you all can continue taking photographs if you're like. They've been standing for a long time. So I'd like to request the team, if you'd like to take a seat, please go ahead.
Yeah, thank you. Come. Dad will sit there. Better.
Okay, we can start the Q&A.
असल में बहुत ही अलग अवतार में mustache flaunt कर रहे. Is it a trend in Bollywood now to flaunt the mustache?
Actually, we started shooting this film 2 years back, and Dad ने मुझसे कहा था कि तू मूंछ उगाएगा इस रोल के लिए. तो पहले मैंने कहा था, डैड मूंछ तो बहुत पुराने हीरोज उगाते थे. This is not.
My dad has a mustache.
No, but he's a legend. We are talking about us struggling actors right now. So coming back to Mausam and the mustache. So I was very iffy about it. I never thought I'll be able to have a mustache and things like that. So I remember having this discussion more than 2 years back when Dad said that almost every Air Force officer has a mustache, and he wanted me to have very short hair in it as well. After that, yes, a few films have released jismein a lot of actors have sported mustaches, so it's interesting and it's nice to know that so many people thought about it in and around the same time. I hope people like me in the mustache, and I think it's right for the role. So I think that's most important.
शाहिद, बरसात का मौसम चल रहा है, तो आपसे भी जानना चाहेंगे कि बरसात के मौसम के बारे में आपका क्या ख्याल है?
हमने अपना पोस्टर ही बरसात के मौसम के बारे में बना दिया है, तो इससे ज़्यादा बरसात को हम क्या डेडिकेशन दे सकते हैं. इट्स ब्यूटीफुल वेदर. आई थिंक बरसात रोमांस का मौसम होता है, मौसम भी है, एक लव स्टोरी है, सो इट्स क्वाइट रेलिवेंट एंड इट मेक सेंस टू हैव द थीम ऑफ रेन इन द फिल्म. बट लाइक दैट सेड, ये फिल्म मौसम जो है ये सीजन्स ऑफ लव के बारे में है. इट्स अबाउट द डिफरेंट इमोशंस एंड द डिफरेंट सिचुएशंस दैट the two principal characters, मेरा character जो हरिंदर सिंह का है और लड़की का character जो आयत का है, what seasons of love they go through. That is the theme of the film. Yes, I was quite fortunate. I flew an F-16. I don't think there's any other actor in the world actually who's flown an F-16. I think Tom Cruise ने जब Top Gun की थी, he flew an F-15. I was very fortunate to have that opportunity, and it was a very exciting experience for me. Honestly, मुझे प्लेन में उड़ना इतना अच्छा नहीं लगता, तो मैंने डिसाइड किया था कि यार ये प्रेस इवेंट है और मैं एयरफोर्स ऑफिसर बना हुआ हूँ तो कर लेता हूँ. बट मैंने सोचा था मैं पायलट को जाके बोलूँगा कि देख भाई, फोटो वोटो ले लेंगे, थोड़ा सा ऊपर ले जाके पीछे से लाके रोक देना, मैं उतर जाऊँगा. बट when I actually sat inside and when I flew in it, I was so excited. I was shouting inside the aircraft because it was probably the most exhilarating experience that I've had. I'm somebody who loves speed anyways. So the fact that I was sitting inside an F-16 and I was a co-pilot in it was a great experience. I also went through G-forces, if you know what that is. जब आप plane में जाते हैं, you can go up to G9. Basically, G1 is when you feel your body weight. G2 is when you're feeling 2 times your body weight. So G9 means that you feel 9 times your body weight. You actually can't even raise your hand. But that happens when they're doing different maneuvers. So he took me up to G6, which I was very kicked and excited about. So that's something I'm going to take to my grave with me. So yeah, it was a very special experience, and I think it helped me understand my part better. I think it helped me understand what all goes into being an Air Force officer and into being a pilot. हाँ यार, मैं थोड़ा इमोशनल हो गया था, पता नहीं आऊँगा नहीं आऊँगा क्या होगा, तो I just gave him a hug. Once I can see anybody when यार थोड़ा फोटो कम खींचो, क्योंकि कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. हाँ, thank you. Sorry, what was the question again?
We know that the movie is special for you.
Yes.
But one moment which is really touching to your heart and you would like to share it with us. In fact, the question is for both of you.
Yeah, sure.
I want both of your opinions.
Huh? I think it was in the trailer you see this ballroom dance that we were doing, and
Yeah, the moment where you stepped on my feet.
shut
Yes.
up, please. What about you? Your shoes are so heavy. Anyway, so we basically, Shahid and I didn't know each other at all. I met him like 4 or 5 times before I started the film, and we had to rehearse through this very complicated dance thing which Pankaj sir wanted us to do. And I think that's how I got to know him, and we kind of created a sort of friendship through the process of rehearsing for that song, for that particular piece.
कितनी रोमांटिक बात है ना, हम लोग नाचते हुए फ्रेंड्स हो गए during the moment of dancing in the ball. Actually, the one reason I was running after you to do the rehearsals with me was because I remember when we were rehearsing in Scotland, there was this. Obviously, we had taken a team from abroad for ballroom dancing because it needed to be authentic and stuff like that. तो आई रिमेंबर जो मुझे सिखा रही थी लेडी, वो माशाल्लाह पता नहीं काफ़ी दिनों से नहाई नहीं थी, क्या एंगल था कि सच में. तो मैं सोनम के पीछे भागने लगा, सोनम यू रिहर्स विद मी, सी वी हैव टू डू इट टुगेदर, ओनली व्हेन वी डू इट टुगेदर एंड वी हैव टू फील द मोमेंट. So that's one of my strongest memories actually. It's not a visual memory, it's a very nasal memory, but yes.
No, but
All I can say is that I have survived. Very easy compared to working under Dad. No, I think it was wonderful that I could go through the entire process because Dad had written this film about 3 years back, and he was very clear right in the beginning. He had said that whenever we do this film, I don't want you to take on any other film because this film requires a certain craft, because it's spread over a certain period of time, and there's a certain amount of authenticity which I need you to completely be in the film for. And that's why I took off everything else, and I had the time to actually go and do some research on being an Air Force officer. And yes, I visited a few Air Force bases. I actually went and met a few Air Force officers. I sat in the aircraft, I put on the G suit, I understood how they walk with the helmet, and all things like that, which actually gives you some kind of perspective into what it is to be representing the country and to be a part of the armed forces and to be an Air Force pilot. It would be very interesting for you to know that an Air Force pilot actually, his value is 300 crores at an average, because that's the amount of money that is invested in each Air Force officer over a period of time. So he's an extremely valuable commodity. And so they are taken very good care of. मुझे लगता था हम हीरो के साथ अच्छा ट्रीटमेंट होता है. They are taken extremely good care of. So they all met me like, हाँ तू तो हीरो है, ठीक है. They all have this attitude, which is awesome, because they are the real heroes. And so I got the opportunity to actually experience that. And I don't think that would have been possible unless, Dad had told me to do what I did. And I think it's been a hugely enriching experience for me. I have changed as a person, I have changed as an actor. And I think I've come to respect and learn a lot more things which I took for granted earlier, maybe.
ऐसा सीन आपको याद है जब आपको लगा हो कि ये आप खुद इतने बढ़िया उम्दा एक्टर हैं जो इन लोग एड पास नहीं कर पा रहे हैं और आपने टेम्पल लूज कर दिया?
इसने पूरा स्क्रीन प्ले बना लिया अपने में.
हाँ, स्क्रीन प्ले
डिसाइड कर लिया उसने
कि ये आर्टिकल आने वाला है.
They have conspired that I should not speak. बेटा ऐसा है कि when I am in the shoes of a director, then I do not think like an actor. I am only there to support my actors and to get the best out of them. And I think both my actors and the rest of the team of the group of actors that I've had have done absolutely wonderful job. You will realize once you see the film, what you've seen right now is probably a small glimpse of what is to follow. You will, I'm sure that the audience and the press would be pleasantly surprised by the kind of range that has been sort of expressed by both the actors during the course of the film. So when I'm directing, I'm not being an actor, but yes, I'm trying to take out the best out of the actor. I happen to be aware of it because I'm an actor myself, so that sort of might have helped me to take work out of them and might have helped them to understand what I wanted out of them.
But I like learn to be opposite. Like I've learned to like take it on the chin. Like I come in very aggressive in the way I talk, but I talk a lot.
कि मैं अपने काम के बारे में बहुत क्रिटिकल रहता हूँ, लेकिन मैं ये जरूर कहूँगा कि जो कुछ स्क्रिप्ट मैंने लिखा था, उसको पर्दे पे देख के मैंने पहली बार शायद इस वक्त कही हुई है कि एक बहुत ही इमोशनल एक्सपीरियंस रहा है. कोशिश ये रही है कि जो कुछ लिखा गया था, जो कुछ सोचा गया था, उसको वैसा ही पर्दे पे उतारा जाए. हमेशा यूँ होता है कि जब फिल्म लिखी जाती है तो कुछ हिस्से उसके ऐसे होते हैं जो बहुत ज़्यादा स्क्रिप्ट से ऊपर पहुंच जाते हैं, कुछ हिस्से ऐसे होते हैं जो शायद आपको बतौर निर्देशक लगता है कि उस पैमाने तक नहीं पहुंच पाए, लेकिन कुल मिलाकर के जो लिखा गया था उसको तकरीबन मैं ये कहूँगा कुछ बहुत ही एक्सेप्शनल बात है शायद ये कि ज़्यादातर चीज़ों को वैसे का वैसा पर्दे पे उतारने की का मौका हमें मिला.
एक आखिरी सवाल, दोनों के परफॉर्मेंस से आप खुश हैं?
जी मैं खुश ना होता तो यहाँ क्यों होता?
Pankaj ji, would like to know why did you think of directing in the first place?
I've been wanting to. If somebody has followed my career graph at all, would have known that I directed television for about 5 years in between. So there was this desire to direct. I've been writing for a long time. There were talks about my directing for a long time. So here came one moment when we decided to go in for this film, this particular subject, which was frankly very specifically written for keeping Shahid in mind. It was specified in my head that this is a film to be made with him. It was not as if I had written a script and I decided to cast him. I have a lot of other scripts. We pondered over it whether he should be a part of them or another script should be written for him. So it was decided that a fresh film should be written, a fresh script should be written, and that's how the birth of Mausam happened.